Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caroline, and if you're new here, welcome. So on this episode guys, we're gonna have some sweet potato crisps, or if you I don't know how you call it in your language, chips. Yeah, it doesn't matter. So anyway guys, on today's episode we're gonna make an amazing sweet potato snack, and you're gonna love it for your family. So guys, stay tuned and I'll show you how to easily make this. So guys, please subscribe if not subscribed, share, like, and give me that thumbs up, and I really appreciate it. Guys, this one is everyone's favorite veggie snack. I told you guys, 2021 we're gonna do the healthy stuff. So yeah, so on this one it's simple guys. So just sweet potato crisps or crepes or chips, and you will love it. It is so delicious guys. So guys, for our ingredients we'll need our sweet potato, 3 of them, and 2 tablespoons of oil, and then you need your black pepper and some salt to season. So guys, I normally have an awesome dip that I will show you how to do. I call it caramelized pumpkin dip. It is just so amazing. You will love it guys. And what you need, I'll show you for our ingredients. You'll need our pumpkin, whichever quantity you want, that is okay. And then you'll need 2 large white onions, these ones. Of course you need some sage leaves, you chop them fine, that's okay. And then you'll need sour cream. This is so awesome, look at this guys, 1 cup. And of course you still need your salt and your black pepper, still the same. I have a teaspoon of nutmeg, and yeah, and then that's it guys. And your dipping will be super tasty. It's so delicious, it's classic, it will blow you away with how good it is guys. So guys, I know guys, holiday is coming up, the holidays, the parties. So if you have those friends over and you don't know what to make, this is an awesome holiday snack that people can enjoy. You have visitors, impromptu. I'll show you how to make this in less than 20 minutes guys. You have it ready. So yeah guys, I can't wait. So let's get to it. So guys, we'll start with our caramelized onion pumpkin dip. So first of all, we'll make our pumpkin puree. It's so simple. You clean your pumpkins, and then you remove the outer skin, and then in a bowl we wash it after removing the outer layer, and then we'll boil it. We'll chop it into a few pieces, and then we'll boil it. We'll put water in a pot, boil it, and then until it's tender. So once we boil it, we will drain the water and place it in a blender, and then we'll blend it until smooth. So simple guys. So when you go out there and you see those pumpkins, yes, it's so sweet. You can actually eat it. It's healthy. It's not for babies only. You know, people see pumpkins, they're like, pumpkin ya watoto. No, it's not for babies guys. You can also have it, and it's so healthy and it's so tasty, and it's very easy to make because you only boil it for like 10 minutes guys, 10 to 15 minutes, it's tender, and then that's it. You blend it, you have that puree, you're ready to make your dip guys. So in a pot you put your pumpkin, water, You boil for 15 minutes, it will be done. That's it, guys. We'll make our puree. Yay! So guys, as we have our pumpkin boiling, we'll go ahead to do our sweet potato. So remember guys, this is really healthy. It's vegan. So what you do is you peel. I normally prefer to use my knife instead of the two peelers. Guys, remember when you're cutting your sweet potato, you cut them as thinly as possible. So small pieces, thin. They normally come out so crispy, guys. I love them. I love them. I love them. So you put them in salty water. In your towel. So once it's dry, we'll just put it in a bowl. We will add our oil. Then make sure it's in all of them. Mix them thoroughly. Then we'll put our salt. Some more salt. Can now put the black pepper. Just a bit, don't put too much, but it's optional, like the black pepper, the herbs. You just need oil actually, but me, I normally like that sweet salty taste on my crisp sweet potato crisps. Once you're done, so you need a baking sheet and then you lay them there. So make sure you have a non-stick grease paper. It's really good as well. If you don't have it, just grease your baking tray, and then yeah, you can just grease it with butter. You're good to go. So guys, these guys are ready to be put in the oven. So what you do, I've preheated my oven at 200 degrees. So we'll cook it for 20 minutes. So I had preheated mine for 10 minutes. So now it's ready. You put in your oven for 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, guys, voila, it's done. As you can see, our pumpkin is ready. So we'll make our puree. Just blend them. Just blend bit by bit. Just put a bit of water. So guys, we have our pumpkin puree ready. So what we'll do is you heat our oil over medium heat like this, and then you add your onions. Make sure they're white, guys. So in our bowl, we'll mix the pumpkin puree. We'll add in our cream. Make sure it's sour cream. So you put your sour cream. Then we'll add some salt. Pepper. And we'll also put our nutmeg. And we'll just mix with our caramelized onions. See guys how it looks? It's a lot. You can use a lot. You can save it, you can store it, and you always take that dip out when you have those crepes. Yeah, so once they're golden brown, you just add in your sage, and then you just switch off the heat. So we'll mix this. It smells amazing, guys. Smells so good. Smells amazing. Your dip is done. It's well done. It's so sweet. It's delicious. Look at this, guys. Amazing. So we'll check on our crepe. So they're done. Oh, look at this, guys. Look at this. Oh, amazing. They cook so well. So we'll let them cool. Hi, baby.
Hey, Mom.
You ready for your crepes?
Mm.
You sure?
Yeah.
So we'll let them cool for a while, and then we'll have our dip. We'll have some crepes. Yes, baby? So say hi to my viewers. First say hi.
Hi.
Hi, viewers.
Hi, everyone.
Make sure you subscribe. subscribe to my mommy's channel.
Hello.
So we are here with the whole gang, ready to do what? Taste. Say taste.
Taste.
Okay. So have a taste. Pick one. Do you want a dip? Do you want a dip, baby? So when you dip, try. So tasty. Do you like it? Look at the camera. Tell them how it is.
Hey. Taste.
So sweet.
That's so sweet.
Yeah, my baby loves crepes. So I will taste mine. I love mine with a lot of dip. So creamy, so tasty. I love the caramelized onions. It's just so tasty. What do you say, bye? What do you say,
Bye.
baby?
Bye.
And make sure they
Bye.
subscribe.
Bye.
Yeah, it has been an awesome episode making this awesome dip with you guys. I really had an awesome time. So make sure you subscribe, share, like, comment. I always appreciate your feedback, guys. So anytime you have a party, make this and tell me how your experience was. Comment, guys. So that's it from me. So bye.